Hi everyone, I'm Manish and I welcome you all again to my YouTube channel DataVoice. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a step chart. If you want to continue to receive these updates, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for future notifications. So let's get started, guys. In today's video, the example that I'm going to take is of Global Superstore dataset, and if you see, I have used the orders table from the dataset. If you are noticing some kind of a difference in this UI, then that is because I'm using Tableau Desktop version 2020.2, where they have introduced the new data model. So let's get into creating the view directly, right? So what we need to do is we need to find out how is the trend of my orders per week, or let's say per month, right? So for that, what we need is we need the order date. So let's find out where the order date is. So here we have the order date, right? So put this into columns, and by default it shows aggregated data for the year label. What we will do is do a exact date. Now after this, what do we need? We need order count. So put that into shelf, row shelf, and this is where it is. Now the problem with this chart is it has too much of data, and you are really not able to comprehend or interpret as to how the trends are week over week or month over month, right? So what we are going to do is create a step calculation function which is going to smooth in this chart, right? So how do we do this? I've already created a calculation for this, and I'm just going to show you how it is working, right? So at the aggregation level, what we are trying to do is we're just counting the orders, right? So these are the count of orders, and what we are doing at what level we are aggregating it at the week level, right? So we are truncating the date, right, which is my order date, and I am actually truncating the date at the week level. So all the orders or all the order dates which belong to a single week will get a same value here, right? So in a sense, what we are doing is we are aggregating the count of orders per week, and that is it. The formula is very simple, and how to use this, right? So what we will do is drag this step calculation function into the rows shelf, and this is how the chart now looks like, right? If you look at it, it is still the same data, it is still the same chart, but then now that we are aggregating data at the week level, we are seeing the same chart as a step chart, right? So what else we can do, right? If you really want the aggregation to be changed to let's say more higher level, then you can change this to month. You can change the formula, and this is how it is going to smoothen out. So looking at this chart, one benefit that I definitely see is you see the patterns more clearly versus how it appears in a line chart, and this is something that you can consider using. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and learned something new. Bye for now. Stay tuned.